Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. This next video and the videos after, I'm going to do a series to talk about giving you tips and tricks on how to plan a Disney World vacation for a large family. I think those can be some of the most magical vacations you ever have, when it's your whole family, grandma, grandpa, aunts and uncles, all the cousins. You will create memories that honestly last a lifetime. So please subscribe, and so you don't miss out on the future videos. That is super helpful to me too. So this video will be your general planning video. The following ones are going to talk about resort options, dining options, fast passes, all for large family parties. So my first tip, have a date. Find a date that works with your entire group. And then set a budget. The boring grown-up things, dates and budgets. But once those things are all set and done, then the real fun planning can begin. And I really like getting the kids involved with the planning, asking them, where do you want to stay? Where do you want to eat? Who do you want to meet? What rides do you want to do? Now, if you've never been to Disney before, they may have nothing to go on this, but that's okay. What I like to do, give the kids maps, and they can circle the rides they want to do. They can look up restaurants they want to go to. This is great from your youngest traveler to your oldest traveler. So when I plan my large family vacations, I ask everybody those same questions, whether it's my parents, my brothers, my sister-in-law, my nieces and nephews, and then I can take all that information and come up with a plan that will make everybody happy. So once you have everybody's information and your budget, you can figure out where you want to stay. Now I'll cover resort options in a later video, so you'll want to subscribe. And then once you have your reservation made, now the thing that's different with a large family trip is planning far in advance. And I know you may not want to plan a year in advance or 6 months in advance, but this is important for many reasons. With your budget, you can start paying off your trip a little bit. You can make sure you can get those dining reservations, and you can really nail down the things that are important to you and your family to make sure everyone has a great time. So once your hotel reservation is booked, you get the ideas of where do people want to eat, what rides they want to do, what characters they want to meet. So that way you can kind of sketch out the week. I like to do it on a little piece of paper. Say, all right, we're arriving on Sunday, so our first park, Magic Kingdom or Epcot. And then here are the restaurants that are either close to the Magic Kingdom or within the Magic Kingdom that people want to go. Here are the characters they want to meet. Here are the rides they want to do. I do this for each and every day. What's really nice to do on your big trips is you start in the morning all together, and then maybe midday the young one wants to go back to the hotel, rest for a little bit, or go swimming in the pool. Well, maybe grandma and grandpa can go back to the hotel while the teenagers go ride some of the coasters. That flexibility will be key in making sure everybody is happy. And what's nice about staying at a Disney resort is everybody will get those magic bands, even your 4-year-old. So if grandma, who's staying in a different room, wants to bring your 4-year-old back, but their favorite lovey is in the room, they can use their magic band to enter their room, grab their favorite lovey, take a nap, and be rejuvenated for dinner. The other thing I really like to do when I have a large group is make sure we're either starting the day together or ending the day together. We love to do dining reservations, either do a lunch one together to kind of break up the day, rest our feet, or do a dinner reservation together. Maybe not every single day, but if we're not doing a dinner reservation, say on Thursday together, we will probably have breakfast together that day. That way we've started every day, we have that family time together, and then we can split up and everybody can go and do the things they want to do. And then maybe meet up later, go swimming in the pool. There's stuff at Disney World for every age group. from your little baby to your grandparent. So everybody will be happy. So key points: make plans, but be flexible. So in case somebody's tired, you can go back and chill. Definitely plan some downtime at the hotel. That pool time with your cousins and your aunts and uncles will be so much fun and create lots of memories. So please stay tuned for future videos as I talk about resort options. Then I will talk about fast passes, and I will talk about dining in future videos, because there are some videos, there are some dining locations that are better suited for larger families, and some are really fun. I will keep you posted, giving you all sorts of tips and tricks to help you guys have a magical family vacation with your entire group. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Have you done a big family trip before? Where did you stay? What did you like? Do you have any do's or don'ts? Let me know below. And I'll leave all my contact information below. And I'll be in Disney World really soon, so please stay tuned for on location videos. Thanks so much. See you next time.